For God to say that there will be no one after him, does that mean that God has a death date? That's what it sounds like to me. If God has a death date and he said put no one after him or before him, there would be none before him. There was none before him. There would be none after him. What, is he going on vacation? Is he leaving us? But then here comes Jesus in the New Testament, 400 years after the end of the first book, the last book of the Old Testament. 400 years later, here comes Jesus Christ. Now, if that doesn't make you stop and think that some of that crap is probably made up, fictitious in itself, with a hint of logic, then you're under that control.